Hello, this is me, ALIRAZA. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ad certified advertising professional as well as an owner of a Google Partner company. And I'm here with an amazing question. So let's move on to the question we have today. And the question is, Hi Ali, I'm looking for advice. I always run very good smart shopping campaigns, amazing 5% conversion. 5% is a very good conversion rate, and especially if you're satisfied with your service. However, the campaign then automatically switched to Performance Max. Then I tried standard shopping campaigns, but nothing seems to yield any more conversions. Does Performance Max work if you have not achieved 30 conversions in recent months? My idea now is to set up a search campaign and standard shopping campaign focused on one brand or only focus PPC focus on one product. I see a lot of clicks, but I don't see the clients on the web shop. How is this possible? I have an online store in skincare with about 10 brands and about 300 products, high concurrency. What do you think? Okay, I think there are a few things which you may need to look on. First of all, there is something, auto recommendations which is keep on happening on your account, and I do not like the idea of auto recommendations, and that can, not always generate good conversions or sales or improvement in your account, which is why I do not give a blind eye on the auto recommendations, and I manually check on those. So in case if such thing has happened, or knowingly or unknowingly you may have done something on your campaign, apart from shifting to Performance Max, which was done by Google. You can look around. There is a function over here. Let me move on. Change history. Move on to the change history and look around in the past months what kind of changes you have done. Sometimes unknowingly or unknowingly you have done some changes on your account, or sometimes someone also has an access to your account and they do some changes. You can figure out those changes through it, and you can do the reversal of those changes, and that can also cause you the issues in reduction in conversions. So that is my best bet over here. And now your idea regard, okay, so does a Performance Max if you have work if you have not achieved 30 conversions in recent months? Okay, Performance Max works even with 10, 20, 30 conversions as well. Yeah, as long as the data is coming for Google, that works very well. And now my idea is now to set up a search campaign instead of standard shopping campaign focused on one brand or only PPC focused on one product. I see a lot of clicks, but I don't see the clients on the web shop. Okay, first of all, I always recommend an idea of keep on trying, testing, and improvement. That is a very good strategy, and in this strategy, you can see a lot of improvement. Just by doing testing, you can figure out new markets, new products happening. And now because you want to test one product, okay, my advice for you is to look out on your past data and see what kind of products are working well for you, and create a campaigns for 5 6 products at the same moment. Do not focus on one product and you will be disappointed very quickly. So what you can do is look around on your 5% conversion old data and see what kind of products are working well for you, and create specific search campaigns, standard shopping campaigns for 5 6 or even 10 products which were working well for you out of your 300 products. And then slowly eventually expand based on the data. So I hope this answers your question. And in case if you need our help in creating an amazing Google ads campaign, Google shopping campaign, or you want our help in Facebook ads or SEO or web development services, all you have to do is to click on the link in the description so that you can work with me and my team, and we can help you creating an amazing campaign which can generate amazing results. And in case if you like this video, make sure to like and share, and press the subscribe button and the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching this video. Take care and bye bye.